Please turn to page 210. The x-intercept of a line is the x-coordinate of a point where the graph crosses the x-axis. Since any linear equation can be graphed using 2 points, you can use the x and y-intercepts to graph an equation. State the x and y-intercepts of y equals 1.5x minus 9. Then use the intercepts to graph the equation. First, we're going to find the y-intercept. The intercepts are always when the other value equals 0. So to find the y-intercept, we are going to plug in 0 for x. So we're going to take y equals 1.5 times 0 and then subtract 9. Well, we know that anything times 0 is 0, and 0 minus 9 is negative 9. So your y-intercept is negative 9. That would be the ordered pair 0, negative 9. To find the x-intercept, that's not quite as easy. To find the x-intercept, we're going to have to plug in 0 for y. So we're going to say 0 equals 1.5x minus 9. We need to solve this for x. So I'm going to circle my 1.5x, can't touch it. What can I touch? Opposite of minus 9 is plus 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. 9 equals 1.5x. Opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide by 1.5. And 9 divided by 1.5 is 6. So x equals 6, which is the ordered pair 6, 0. On my graph, my two intercepts were 0, negative 9, and 6, 0. So 0, negative 9 means I'm going to start at 0 and I'm going to go down 9. 6, 0 means I'm going to start on my 0, 0. I'm going to go over 6 and stay there. Connect your two dots and you're done. Please pause the video and work on A and B below. Y equals negative 1/3 x plus 5. To find the y-intercept, we're going to plug in 0 for x. 1/3 times 0 is 0, and 0 plus 5 is 5. So y equals 5, which is the ordered pair 0, 5. To find the x-intercept, we're going to plug in 0 for y. So 0 equals negative 1/3 x plus 5. Circle your 1/3 x. Can't touch it. What can I touch? Opposite of plus 5 is minus 5. 0 minus 5 is negative 5. Negative 5 equals negative 1/3 x. 1/3 and x are being multiplied. Opposite of multiplication is division, but I have a fraction. To divide fractions, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. Reciprocal of negative 1/3 is negative 3/1. So I'm going to multiply by negative 3. Your 1s and your 3s cancel each other out, which leaves you with x. 3 times 5 is 15. Negative times a negative is a positive. So this would be the ordered pair 15, 0. So I have 0, 5 and 15, 0. So if I wanted to graph this, I have 0, 5 and 15, 0. 0, 5 means I'm going to stay at 0 and I'm going to go up 5. 15, 0 means I'm going to start on my x-axis. I'm going to go over 15 and I'm going to stay there. Connect your dots and you're done. If you haven't yet, pause the video and do letter B. Letter B says y equals negative 3/2x plus 3. To find the y-intercept, I'm going to plug in 0 for x. So y equals negative 3/2 times 0 plus 3. 3/2 times 0 is 0, and 0 plus 3 is 3. So my y-intercept is 3, which would be the ordered pair 0, 3. To find my x-intercept, I'm going to plug in 0 for y. So 0 equals negative 3/2x plus 3. Circle my 3/2x. Can't touch it. What can I touch? Opposite of positive 3 is negative 3. Negative 3 equals negative 3/2x. 3/2 and x are being multiplied. Opposite of multiplication is division, but I have a fraction. to divide fractions, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. Reciprocal of -3/2 is -2/3. I'm going to multiply straight across. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So x is going to equal 2, which is the ordered pair 2, 0. So my ordered pairs are 0, 3, and 2, 0. 0, 3, and 2, 0. 0, 3, and 2, 0. So to graph 0, 3, I'm going to stay at 0 and go up 3. To graph 2, 0, I'm going to go over 2 and stay at 0. Connect your dots, and you're done.